Oh, hey! Thank you for tuning in. My name is Janelle, and this is my oldest, Callie. I will be showing you another braided protective hairstyle today. I really find that braids last the longest, and there's just so many different styles that you can do to switch it up. So, with that said, I begin by parting her hair first, and I will make all the parts before I officially move on and add product and style her hair. So, give me a second, you will see what all of the parting will look like, and we can move forward into this hairstyle. In this case, parting her hair all the way and sectioning it off before I begin braiding just made it easier for me to style, so that is why I am doing it specifically for this hairstyle. Going in with water and then using Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Buttercream definitely kept her hair nice and moisturized before I went in and detangled her hair with a wide tooth comb. Normally I just use water, but I definitely just wanted to add some product to her hair since it was a little on the dry side, and it worked just as well. This is the first part that I'm making, and as you see, I didn't go all the way across horizontally, but you will see as to why in a second. Now, I am going to just skip through and show you what her hair looks like. I made 4 different sections, and as you can see, the front section has a total of 6 parts. Now going in with some water and going in with some oil, I am making sure that I add oil to her hair because oil really helps keep her hair moisturized and locks all that in. The last step is just braiding her hair. And I will skip through some parts just so that you don't have to sit here and literally watch me braid her hair over and over. But for this front section, I am just braiding straight across, and that's it. So we have the first half done. Okay, so I did 3 braids, and that is how the other side will look like. Now for the back section. For this back section, I am doing the exact same thing and just braiding her hair. I had to change the direction that she was facing just because I needed to make sure that I was braiding her hair nice and neat, and this is the outcome. Now, once you have finished corn rolling all of the hair, make sure that you are braiding all the way to the end. The only reason I turned her around is because I wanted to show you that eventually what you will do is just grab all of the braids that you did previously and secure it in a hair tie. And this is what the braids should look like once they are officially done. Now there's a few more steps to take before one side can be called officially complete, and one of them includes laying down those baby hairs. I don't use edge control, I use the exact same product I use on her hair. It doesn't stay all day, but it does the job. And the next step is using a rat tail comb and just tucking in any of the loose hairs that you see within the braid. Now, what's a hairstyle without accessories? I like to use the gold cuffs that I have, and it just definitely spices up the hairstyle. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and share with your family and friends. I think this hairstyle is super cute, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Oh hey, mommy's gonna do my hair, and it's so pretty, and it's all done, and it's also so pretty because dad put his friends and stuff on my hair, and also it's so pretty. Also I ruined my dress, it's so pretty. So bye.